Alright. I'll go over a little bit how I made my GoPro mount for my kayak. Pretty much just sits inside this ram mount. I start off with a Targus Extendable monopod. Extends about 5.5 feet. First off I did was took out these screws, pulled this bad boy off, pulled off my handle, and all the stuff that goes on top of it.
Tried to amend my carnivorous habits, made it nearly 70 days, losing weight without speed, eating sunflower seeds, drinking lots of carrot juice and soaking over rays. But at night I'd have these wonderful dreams, some kind of sensuous treat, not zucchini, fettuccine, bulgur wheat, but a big warm bun and a huge hunk of meat. Cheeseburger in paradise, heaven on earth with an onion slice, not too particular, not too precise, I'm just a cheeseburger in paradise.
I don't put too much tape because that's already a tight squeeze.
Heard about the old time sailor men, they eat the same thing again and again. Warm beer and bread, they say it should raise the dead. Well, it reminds me of the menu at a holiday inn. Times change for sailors these days. When I'm in port, I get what I need. Not just bananas or bananas or daiquiris, but that America creation on which I feed. Cheeseburger in paradise, medium rare with mustard beef.
Now I gotta add the mount. It's just a rail bar mount. I think it's like $20. You see we're good here. Timing pretty good. I'll strip right to my carabiners right here. That helps secure my
Can you know what I feel? Well, it's the way you move your hands, and it's the way you understand, and that's the reason that I'm asking. Hey, yeah, yeah. And that's the reason that I want to know. Hey, yeah, yeah. And that's the reason that I'm asking.
plunge cords on both sides. This thing's out of the way. Now it's a handball on the kayak. It's got a Swiveling Extendable GoPro mount.
Can you throw away everything you